Okay, here we are, bluecollarcustomcycles.com. Got a 2017 Tri Glide in the shop doing another Legends air ride. Now this is an Air A system which has adjustable rebound on the shocks. Now this system has got your full button right on the bar, which comes with the kit. It's available in black or chrome, gives you your up or down. Always have air ride control, bike doesn't have to be on. We're going to do today, the bike is fully up right now. We'll go ahead and drop it down. You'll see how much it goes down. And how long it takes. So you can see how far down this goes. Now we're going to go back up. You're going to hear that compressor running. Your compressor is mounted on a pallet that is right under your engine. You don't see any of that. You can watch that go right back up. Also got built-in bump stops in case something was to happen, lose your air, lose a line, anything happens, you can still drive the vehicle. '17 Tri Glide at Blue Collar Custom Cycles. Make sure you follow us there on YouTube.